Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just another upgrade. It could flip the smartphone game on its head. Imagine a screen so smart it hides itself from everyone except you. Sounds unreal, right? But that's exactly what the S26 Ultra might be bringing. And if these leaks are true, Apple and Google better watch out. Stick around for all the details, and hey, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest updates. The brightness battle. Let's start with brightness, because honestly, that's where the real smartphone war is happening right now. Google shocked everyone with the Pixel 10 Pro hitting 3,300 nits. That's insanely bright. But Samsung, they're not backing down. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to push brightness even further. And here's the twist. It's not just about being brighter. It's about being smarter. Samsung could bring a new privacy feature tied to brightness that changes how we use our screens completely. Next-gen display tech. Now, this is where things get exciting. The S26 Ultra is expected to feature Samsung's brand new M14 OLED panel with something called CoE technology. Let me break that down. Most displays use a polarizer layer, but blocks light. With CoE, Samsung replaces it with a special film that reduces reflections and lets more light pass through. The result? A thinner screen, brighter visuals, lower power consumption, and better durability. In simple terms, you're not just getting a prettier screen, you're getting one that lasts longer, looks sharper, and saves battery life. But wait, there's one more rumored feature coming up that could change how we use Galaxy phones forever. Stick around for that. Design and build. Now onto design. Leaks suggest Samsung might go with a look that feels a little iPhone-like. And yeah, I see it. But there's a reason for it. This structure frees up more space inside the phone while still keeping that ultra-slim profile. If you've ever used a Galaxy Ultra, you know they're chunky beasts. So if Samsung can make it sleeker without sacrificing performance, I think people will warm up to it fast. As for colors, still a mystery. The renders floating around right now are just guesses, so we'll have to wait for more solid leaks to know the official lineup. Camera and other details. Don't worry, the Ultra is still holding its crown as the 200MP camera king. But case leaks suggest Samsung might tweak the bump design into a more polished, vertical layout. And here's something fans have been begging for. Rumors say Samsung could finally add Qi2 magnets. That means MagSafe-style accessories on a Galaxy phone. Imagine snapping on a charger or wallet. No fiddling required. That's a real game changer for Samsung users. Final thoughts. So, here's the bottom line if you're eyeing the S26 Ultra. A smarter, brighter display with M14 OLED plus CoE tech. Possible AI-powered privacy features tied to brightness. A refined design that balances slimness with function. And the same 200MP powerhouse camera, now with MagSafe-style support. If even half of this turns out to be true, the S26 Ultra could be Samsung's most ambitious phone yet. And it might just kick off a whole new display war. But hey, that's what I think. What about you? Are Samsung's new display tricks enough to make the Ultra your next phone? Or do you feel like Apple and Google are still ahead? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And as always, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the latest S26 leaks and updates.